Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Dictation exercise number 6. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The history of Indian women in sports is a story of resilience, determination, and breaking societal barriers. Traditionally, sports in India were considered a male-dominated domain, with women facing cultural restrictions, limited access to facilities, and a lack of encouragement. Despite these challenges, many women defied the odds to pursue their passion for sports and carve a name for themselves on national and international platforms. One of the earliest pioneers was P.T. Usha, famously known as the Queen of Indian Track and Field, who brought glory to India with her remarkable performances in the 1980s. The 21st century witnessed a significant rise in the visibility and achievements of Indian women in various sporting disciplines. With the support of government initiatives, corporate sponsorships, and media attention, female athletes began gaining recognition on the global stage. In badminton, Saina Nehwal and P.V. Sindhu emerged as trailblazers, winning multiple international titles, including Olympic medals. P.V. Sindhu's silver medal at the 2016 Rio Olympics and her subsequent gold at the BWF World Championships established her as one of India's finest athletes. Boxing legend Mary Kom became an inspiration for millions by winning 6 World Championship titles and an Olympic bronze medal, proving that age and societal norms cannot restrict ambition. Tennis star Sania Mirza also broke stereotypes, achieving success in a sport traditionally dominated by Western athletes. These achievements not only brought individual glory but also elevated the status of Indian women in sports, encouraging young girls to take up athletics as a career. Team sports, once neglected in the Indian sporting landscape, have also witnessed a remarkable transformation in recent years. The Indian women's cricket team has gained immense popularity, thanks to the performances of players like Mithali Raj, Jhulan Goswami, and Harmanpreet Kaur. Their journey to the finals of major international tournaments, including the 2017 ICC Women's World Cup and the 2020 ICC Women's T20 World Cup, helped bring women's cricket into the mainstream. Similarly, the Indian women's hockey team showcased exceptional grit and determination at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, finishing 4th and earning widespread appreciation. In football, players like Bala Devi have made strides by playing in international leagues, paving the way for future generations. Despite financial and infrastructural challenges, these teams have consistently demonstrated their skill and potential, earning the respect of fans and governing bodies alike. While Indian women in sports have achieved remarkable milestones, challenges such as gender bias, unequal pay, and limited access to high-quality training facilities continue to persist. Female athletes often receive less media coverage and prize money compared to their male counterparts, highlighting the need for greater gender parity in sports. However, with growing awareness, changing societal attitudes, and strong government backing through initiatives like Khelo India and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, the future looks promising. Young stars like Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting, Lovlina Borgohain in boxing, and Rani Rampal in hockey are carrying forward the legacy of Indian women in sports, proving that talent and determination know no gender. As more women continue to break barriers and bring glory to the nation, India stands on the brink of a new era where female athletes will play an even more significant role in shaping the country's sporting future. Stop.